In front of me is POCO M3, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So at first you need to open the messages, tap on a new one, pick whichever contact you have around, it actually doesn't matter. And as you can see, currently we are set up with English, so you can smoothly write in English and you will be also corrected in this language. However, if you would like to change the keyboard dictionary, tap on the settings icon, pick languages, tap on add keyboard, locate the language that you would like to apply. As you can see, the list is pretty long, so you will definitely find something suitable for you. And let me pick, for example, Hebrew. Tap on done, remove unnecessary language, and as you can see, from now on the keyboard language is changed and you can smoothly write in Hebrew, and also autocorrection is changed to this language. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.